Hello students, here we study about the rational number class 8 math topics. So this is the topic rational number we introduce here. You know students what is rational number? Rational number are those which can be written as fractional form, it means to say P over Q form. That number can be written as fractional form. It means to say the form P over Q, that is called rational numbers. And where Q is not equal to 0. It means to say that Q means denominator of rational number should not be equal to 0. So that is the example 2 over 3. We see 2 over 3 in the form of P over Q. It means to say this is the numerator and this is the denominator. And here you see Q is equal to 3, which is not 0. That means 2 over 3 is a rational number. And second, you see minus 3 over 9. It means to say we compare P over Q. Here P equal to 3 and Q equal to 9, which is not equal to 0. It means to say that is also a rational number. And third we see 6. Here we see 6. Here that is not denominator. So we put denominator and make fractional form just like as P over Q. So here you see Q equal to 1. So that is 6 is also a rational number, students. So this is the rational number. Rational numbers are those which can be written as P over Q form. It means to say P over Q form means as a fractional form. Let's we see types of rational numbers. Types of rational number, there are two types of rational number. First is positive rational number and second is negative rational numbers. It means to say just like as that is 3 over 5, that is a positive rational number, and minus 4 over 9, that is negative rational numbers. So this is the positive and negative rational number, students. Now we discuss about in details. So here you see this is the types minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Positive and negative rational numbers, this type you can easily see this is a rational in form. And second, when any number can make a square root completely and gives a whole numbers, it means to say that is you see that is root 4, and root 4 you see it means to say that's make a complete square root and gives a whole number 2. So this type of form is also a rational number. And after that you see in a fractional form, I have told you whether it was simple fraction form and mixed fractional form. So it is also called a rational numbers. And third we see next we see about, so let's we see as you see that is this type of 2.76 var. It means to say we can write this 2 plus 76. So this is the form, and you can write it 2 plus 76 and when you see the bar is 2 number, so 1 bar comes in denominator 9, and here you see 2 numbers, so that is the 99 you see, and you can write this to 76 99. It means to say this is also a fractional form. It means to say 2.76 bar is also called a rational number. After that we see 2.34 bar. It means to say we can write it 2.3444 that. So you see here we can write it 2 plus 3 4 over 9. When you see the bar is only a one number, that is 4, so we see that is the 9, and after that the numbers is whole numbers, so we can increase 0. So here you see 2 3 4 over 90, that is also called a rational numbers. So student, this is the rational numbers. Now we discuss about irrational number. Irrational number are those number which cannot be written as P over Q form. And irrational numbers I have told you about which cannot be written as just like as you see P over Q is not in the form of P over Q. So that is called irrational number. The number which is not written as in a fractional form, that is called irrational number, students. You see here, that is the example, students. Root 2 equal to 1.4142135623, and root 3 equal to 1.7320508007. Here you see, students, when any kinds of numbers make a pattern, just like as you see about 2.76 bar, that make a pattern 2.76 76 76 76 and 2.3 4 4 4 4 4, and this kinds of numbers when make a pattern, that is called rational numbers, students. And in this number, a rational number you see that is not make a pattern, so that is called irrational numbers. Root 3, this is also not make a pattern, so this is also called irrational numbers, students. Now we discuss about property. Let's we see about the property of multiplication. Multiplication property, when a rational numbers multiplied by a non-zero integer, it means to say P over Q multiplied in denominator and numerator both by in non-integer numbers, non-zero number, that is a over a, remain unchanged. Let example 7 over minus 5. This is the example. When we multiplied numerator and denominators by 3, so we get 21 over minus 15. So this is, you see, 7 over minus 5 equal to 21 over minus 15 are equals. So this is the property of multiplication, students. Now we see division property. So P over Q division by a non-zero numbers, it means to say that P over Q equal to P divided by a and Q also divided by a. This is also remain unchanged. Same this way you see when two integers are multiplied just like as P over Q, that is the rational numbers, and second a over b. that is the rational number. When we get P multiplied V equal to Q multiplied A, so this is equals condition we find. So this is the division property second. So students, let's we take some more example. Till then, okay.